Hello friends, welcome back. Here I am with new video on setting up theme for WordPress blog or website. So let's begin, and please do not forget to subscribe and like the videos that I am creating, because appreciation always boosts motivation. So it motivates us to create the videos which helps our viewers. So it's a request to like and subscribe my channel and videos. Thank you. So let's begin how to select theme or activate theme on WordPress. For that we will log in to our admin dashboard. So we logged into our admin dashboard, and there are various options in admin dashboard, like this button: customize your website, plugins, users, tools, settings, appearance, pages, posts, and etc. So to set up theme, right now my website's the WordPress blog's theme is some kind of this. This is not the actual blog that I have wrote. This is a sample page that comes with the installation of WordPress. So if I want to know which theme right now my WordPress blog is using, I will go to appearance and themes. So here it is. My WordPress blog is using 2020. The theme name is 2020. But what if I want different theme which is more catchy, more beautiful in every way? So what I will do, I will click on add new. There are so many developers who build themes which they provides totally at free of cost, and many developers charge a little bit of amounts. So if you have purchased theme, you can upload from here, or you can search and apply the theme. So my blog will be on technical videos. So let us try to find a theme which suits the motto. So let us search here. Maybe technical. Or I can search a video. Maybe it's a video blog if you are creating. Yeah, this is the best, because what I'm planning is these videos you are right now watching on YouTube, I will integrate those videos here and write the steps if anyone needs. So this vlogger video blog is perfect for my blog, so I will go for it, this one. Before that, if I want to see how it look like, I will click on the preview. This is the full post. Okay, so I will close this one and click on install. Yeah, it's installed. Now click on activate. Okay, so this theme is now activated, and these are the extra themes which provided by WordPress for every user. So I can delete these themes. It saves lots of space on my web server. So I'm deleting because I don't need these themes. Uh, okay, so now I will refresh this page. Now you can see it's changed, look change. Now in next video I will show you how to fix the look, how to edit the look of the page, how to set up the home page of your blog and all. So that's it. This is the tutorial how you can set up the theme for your blog or website. So users, please stay tuned, subscribe my channel so you can get the notification of my every video. Subscribe my channel as soon as possible and like this video if you like. Thank you.